So what's up guys, I'm going to be doing the Play-Doh video, so let's get started. So I'm going to open my Play-Doh, just get some out.
Can you show us please?
This is how it looks.
Wait, can I see again?
Then I'm going to put the Play-Doh in here. I'm not going to use that much. I need to do my rest.
Bring it in the sun.
And I'm going to put it in here. Let me get my cup ready. And I'm just going to press it there, down, and just let it spin. And then I'm just going to take it out, take this out, take it. And if it's not good, you can just twirl it.
Okay, so Michael, my thing is, oh yeah guys, what's up? It's Isaiah Webb. Next, since he made this thing, I'm gonna be making, some funny jokes for the next video. I'm gonna do some funny things. But, Catch and Tune, this is all good. I'm gonna be playing Madden Mobile, but I can't find my tablet, right? It is, I don't know. So see, it's like it doesn't have the thing like my cousin has. Like my cousin has the one where he's recording while he's playing Madden Mobile. Like I don't have that. So, and let me get back to my question, Mr. Chef Megalweb. What inspired you to do this?
I just like doing.
Sorry guys if I turned it off right quick, and I'm about to turn it on. There you go.
I just like doing Play-Doh videos, and this is my first time doing it too. So we need some more Play-Doh. We're gonna make some little ops.
And guys, that will be the end of your video.